In this video, we will talk about how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11 login screen. Click on the Start, Open, Settings on the left side, click on Accounts. Scroll down, click on your info. In Account Settings, click on Sign in with a local account instead. Click on Next. As we are switching to a local account, it could ask login password or Microsoft account login password. Simply type the password and click on OK. Enter your local account username, password, and password hint. Now click on Next. Select Sign Out and Finish. Here, you can see we don't have Microsoft account login screen. So that's how you can remove Microsoft account from Windows 11 login screen. See you in the next video.